If you are looking for a private land surveyor in Vishakapatnam, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the perfect choice. With their expertise in land surveying, they provide accurate and reliable services to meet your needs. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd specializes in determining the boundaries and characteristics of a particular piece of land. They use advanced equipment and technology to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping. They have a team of skilled surveyors who have worked on a wide range of projects, from small residential plots to large commercial developments. This experience allows them to handle any type of surveying job with efficiency and accuracy. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is also known for their commitment to client satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver results that meet their expectations. They communicate regularly throughout the process, providing updates and addressing any concerns or questions that may arise. In addition to their private land surveying services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a range of other services related to land development and construction. They can assist with site planning, engineering design, and project management. This comprehensive approach makes them a valuable partner for any land development project in Vishakapatnam. In conclusion, if you are in need of a private land surveyor in Vishakapatnam, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the ideal choice. With their expertise, experience, and commitment to client satisfaction, they can provide accurate and reliable surveying services for all your land-related needs. Contact Scon Design India Pvt Ltd today to discuss your project requirements and see how they can assist you. If you are in need of a private land surveyor in Vishakapatnam, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. As a leading surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers professional and reliable land surveying services to clients in Vishakapatnam and beyond. Whether you are a homeowner, developer, or contractor, having an accurate and detailed survey of your land is essential for any construction or development project. With their team of experienced and skilled surveyors, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd can provide you with the precise measurements and data you need for your project. As a private land surveyor, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results to their clients. They use the latest surveying equipment and techniques to ensure that their surveys are precise and comprehensive. Whether you need a boundary survey, topographic survey, or construction staking services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise to handle all types of land surveying projects.